They say there's a tool for every job, and this is certainly true of heat maps. But what's your type? In this video, we're going to play Matchmaker. Stay tuned for a quick run through of the 5 types of heat mapping tool. And if this content is your type, make sure to hit that like and subscribe to let us know there's chemistry. Type 1. Scroll maps. Scroll maps show the percentage of users who scroll down to any point on the page. If an area is red, all eyes are on it. If it's green or blue, it's not getting seen by many users. Cooler colors can show you that you need to shorten the page or that crucial information needs to be moved up as it's not being seen. Type 2. Click maps. Click maps show you an aggregate of where visitors click their mouse on desktop and tap of their fingers on mobile. These are called touch or tap heat maps. As well as showing you where users are clicking most frequently, this also reveals where users are clicking where they shouldn't be and aren't clicking where they should be. Type 3. Move maps. Move maps show where desktop users move their mouse as they navigate, with hotspots showing more intense movement. Customers often move their mouse when they're looking, and the maps show you where users might be looking. You're looking at the clown, aren't you? Back to me. Move maps can tell you interesting things about how your content needs changing. Example, if users are mostly moving their mouse over the first paragraph in your copy, it might show that they're mostly only reading that first paragraph. Cut the copy, change the copy, and see if it changes the move map. Type 4. Engagement zone maps. Let's say you want to combine clicks, moves, and scrolls into a single view. Well, you can, with zone-based heat maps. At a glance, we can see which elements are attracting attention and interaction. And type 5. Rage click maps. Ever tried to click on something that looked clickable and found yourself unable to click on it? Annoying, isn't it? These sorts of incidents show up as rage clicks, repeated, rapid clicks on a page element. Rage click maps pinpoint rage on the page, where users are getting frustrated. And for businesses, rage clicks can signal that a button is broken or a page is badly designed. So now you know your types and want to know more. Check out our playlist on heat maps to find out what you can do with them. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be checking out click maps to see if you did.